Hey guys, welcome back with another Triple T, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to create your own logo, maybe to our YouTube channel or to a Twitter profile, Facebook profile, Instagram profile, for anything. Create your own logo. Let's jump right into the video. So guys, the website we're gonna use today is logomaker.com. The link will be in the description below. And guys, the best thing about this website is that you don't need to have an account to create your own logo in Logo Maker. And also guys, it's very easy to create a logo in this platform. I'll be teaching you guys everything you need to know about Logo Maker. I won't be designing a logo, but I'll teach you guys how to. First of all guys, you can add text from here, right here, click on this, and this thing will pop up in your platform. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna type triple T okay, and then I'm gonna change the color of it to black. From here we can change the color, and then I'm gonna make this kind of bold. From here, click on this, and then click on here to bold, and click on here to underline it, or else click on here to strike through. It's that easy, okay? And guys, from here you can add shapes to your logo. Just keep your cursor on top of that icon and these icons will show up. If you want to add a circle to your logo, click on the circle and this will appear on the platform. Or else if you want to add a kind of square thing to your logo, click on that and then the square will appear in the platform. And then if you want to add a triangle to your logo, click on that and the triangle will appear. And also guys, if you want to change the color of those, first if you want to change the color of the square, click on the square, and then from here we can change the color to black, blue, white, or from adjusting these colors you can add red, black, white, same thing. I'm just gonna choose red, and then for the circle kind of a light blue color, yeah, that's good. And then for the triangles, I'm just gonna make it more darker, yeah, that's good, yeah, that's good, okay. And guys, from here it's just the same thing which adds color to your platform or to the squares, triangles, rectangles, or anything, or even to the text, the same thing. And from here guys, you can undo your things when you click this. As you guys can see, this triangle turned to its original color when I took it, so that's the undo button. And guys, here comes the most interesting part of this video, and that is that we can add graphics to your logo. Isn't that wonderful? So guys, to add graphics to your logo, click on here and it says search over 1 million graphics. That means there are over 1 million graphics in this platform. So you can search any graphic. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna type YouTube and enter. And again guys, as you guys can see, the YouTube icon is shown in here. I'm gonna add this one. To add guys, just tap on that icon or the graphic you need to add to your logo, and then that will appear in your platform. I'm gonna edit. Yeah, I'm gonna adjust the places of the icons, triangles, and everything. And then I'm gonna add another graphic, and that is a simple thing, car, and there are many cars. I'm just going to choose this sport car, and then keep that car here, and I'm going to change the color of it. You can just change the color of the graphic by tapping on that, and then from here we can change the color. I'm going to change it to white. Oh no, white is the color of the background, so okay, black is good. And then guys, I'm going to add another graphic and that will be a building. There are many buildings. I'm gonna add this because it looks nice and professional. I'm gonna adjust the size of this. Maybe I'm gonna take the square up a little bit and then take this one. And guys, now I'm gonna add the last graphic for the day, and it is another building. I told you. And also guys, I'm gonna show you, and there are guys many sections in this searching thing: abstract, shapes, nature, silly, multicolor, sketches, decorative, badges. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you the abstract column in this platform. Oh, they also look kind of nice. Trees, flowers, and then comes shapes. Oh, stars, arrows, cursors, pentagons, many. Nature. It looks kind of interesting. A man, a woman, sun, again a sun, earth revolving, moon, another earth, and then guys, silly. I don't know what's the meaning of silly, but let's check out. Oh, I think it shows the silly person. Oh, Donald Trump is even here. I think the logo maker creator says that he's silly. Just joking. And then guys, in the next, there are multicolors. Oh, I thought from the name, I thought that it was like kind of like gradient colors, but when I see it's like technology, Windows. Yeah, it's kind of technical. And then next comes sketches. Wow. I think the owner of Logo Maker is a good artist. See, robots, submarines, even a girl, fox, jeep, cake. It kind of looks delicious. And then next comes up the decorative. Okay, decorative is not okay. Decorative is the same thing of the multicolor thing. Oh no! In decoratives they show strings, flowers, mirrors again, and last comes the badges. Oh, a police badge, a scouting badge, a sheriff badge. Wow, this kind of looks nice. Okay, instead of adding a building to my as my last icon for the day, I'm gonna add a bag. Okay, I'm gonna add this bag and then adjust the size of that, and then make it as big as my tag. And guys, now I'm gonna edit the logo and then show you guys the final result. And guys, after you have finished designing your logo, you can save or download your file from the button right here, which says Save Logo. Click on it, and then guys, this will pop up. You don't need to pay for this. Instead of paying, you can get it free from here. No thanks, download low resolution file. Click on it, and then it will download and be automatically sent to our PC. And guys, as you all can see that I have successfully made my own logo. And also guys, like mine, make sure to create your own as well. And guys, if you don't get any ideas to create logos, go to Google and search for logo designing ideas. Yeah, search and then check out for the images. And then guys, there are many designs. You can do not copy this, but take some ideas from them and then create your own one. So guys, I think this video helped you a lot in creating your own logo, maybe to our Instagram profile, Twitter profile, Facebook profile, or else to our YouTube video. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a like in this video, and comment down below that you have successfully created your own logo.